Hey Crazy Crew, it's Kimberly. Good morning. It's Sunday, May 12th. Happy Mother's Day to all those moms out there. Bradford and I are on our cruise and he so lovingly got me a card, so we're going to read it on Mother's Day for everyone out there. It says, I love Team You and Me. We are so good together. I mean, look at us. We turn up and we take care of business. We know how to have each other's back, to cheer each other on, to celebrate every victory and learn from every defeat. But none of that would be possible without you, my amazing wife. Your strength, talents, and dedication to our family are the reason we can't lose. You're my clutch player, captain of our squad, and the real MVP. At the end of the day, no matter what happens, I've already won because I've got you. I love you. Happy Mother's Day. Yay us. I love you, Bradford. Team Bradford and Kimberly. We are off to have C-Day brunch, our first one ever. Brad and I slept in a little bit this morning. I was a little disappointed the casino wasn't open when I got up, but whatever. This ship, it doesn't open till 9, so I just took a little longer siesta and I feel great. So we will check in at C-Day brunch. Hi from the barbecue area.
We're eating at the barbecue on the Splendor, which is
delicious.
It is really good. It's not the.
It's not pig and anchor, but it's really good.
But I think it's similar. I think it's probably
Very
all the
similar.
same food. They just don't call it pig and anchor yet. It's Guy Fieri barbecue sauce.
Huh?
It's Guy Fieri barbecue sauce.
Well, I had the mac and cheese and the brisket, and I can't, make sure you get sauce for the brisket because it sits under those lights. But once you put sauce on it, it's good. It's delicious. I've gone back for seconds.
Yeah, she did. She went back for seconds, but she never goes back for
I
seconds.
don't.
So right now we are sailing along the coast of Baja California on our way to Cabo San Lucas tomorrow. It's not super warm out right now. It's probably in the low 70s.
Yeah.
And a bit breezy, so it's kind of chilly. So
we're walking around, checking out the ship, see what they have. They have a Pandora sale right now. So we got some coffee. I hit the casino for a very, very brief moment this morning, but I wanted to get back to the room and take a shower. So.
Yep. shower.
Yep. Our shower is huge, by the way.
Yes, it is. It's wonderful.
Do you want to dance?
So we're out here on the deck of the Carnival Splendor, and actually it's a little bit warm now. It's warming up nicely, actually.
We've been walking around trying to tape everything. So anyway, we wanted to check in.
Yep, we're gonna walk around some more and film and, I don't know, maybe lay out in the sunlight.
Yes. We'll have to go back to the cabin and change
It's
though.
definitely getting warm.
All right.
So we'll see you in a little bit. Now we're standing above the back pool area, and we were thinking about coming down and laying by the pool for a little while, and
Not a single chair to be had.
not a single lounge chair to be had. So we snooze.
We lose. And we
Yes.
did snooze this morning.
We actually did. Got up really early and then went back to bed for about a 2-hour nap.
But look at that view behind us. That's the back of the boat right there.
So I guess we'll have to wait until some lounge chairs open up.
Well, we'll go get changed and then we'll come down here and see what we can
Don't
find.
change. So we're getting ready to go to the swimming pool. There's Kimberly. She found an excuse to use the
My Dollar Tree find,
The
my little
doll-
pineapple. I
the
think it's
Dollar
awesome.
Tree
It's gonna
pineapple
go use by the pool.
bag.
It's got my wrap, some sunscreen. I've got a little hidden compartment where the little pineapple is.
Yeah, the one thing is we'll never lose it.
This is
It's pretty,
good.
It's pretty bright. So
Works.
right.
I'm happy.
Hi everybody.
Hi! It's formal night.
It is formal night, and we are not dressed formally, as you can see. So we're
Not
gonna
real
skip
formal.
It's
You're
actually
choking me.
sorry. It's 6 o'clock roughly. So
Yes, but we're gonna go to the main dining room. So this is about as dressed up as we're gonna get this trip. So we're gonna go to a bar, right, and have a couple cocktails before dinner, and see what the night brings. So come along with us.
we're probably gonna stop by the Pandora store.
Well, come along with us, and we'll see what we get ourselves up to.
That's right.
Right?
Adios.
We'll see you in a bit. Bye.
So you're not even gonna believe this. We're at the casino bar. We're at the casino bar. We're getting ready to have a couple drinks before dinner. And I'm not even kidding you. Our bartender's name is DUI.
He says it's called Dewey.
It's DUI. It's a good thing that we are not driving. This is DUI. DUI. Actually do it.
I do.
You want to sit chops and applesauce.
Gee, just wow.
Just wow.
I'm gonna have the mushroom bisque, and I'm gonna have the prime rib with the baked potato with everything. And we just ordered a bottle of red wine called Lambrusco. Bradford, turn the camera around and tell us what you're gonna have.
First thing I'm gonna have is Shello. It's my Shellophone. Some of you may remember Sigmund and the Sea Monsters.
What are you gonna have for dinner?
I am going to have I'm going to have prime rib. I'm also going to have the lobster for the main course. Going back to lobster after a bad lobster experience about a year ago. And I think we're going to have the spinach salad as an appetizer with a shrimp cocktail. So that's what we're having. And then of course we're having the wine. Hi everybody.
Hi. We're at end of day dos.
End of day 2.
We had formal night tonight. The food was fantastic. My prime rib was delicious.
It was. I had prime rib as well. Had a little lobster, but
Bradford got me dancing with the lawyer, right? I mean, not the lawyer.
the lawyer, yes.
The waiter. I got a lawyer on my brain.
Really?
I don't
Something
know.
I ought to know?
No.
Right.
Poor Bradford. You were talking about your lobster.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So I tried the lobster. So for those of you who don't know, I had a bad lobster experience on a Royal Caribbean ship a couple years ago. So
And
got food poisoning from the lobster, and I have not had lobster since.
No.
Just because it was so bad. So I tried it tonight. I said I'm going to go try some lobster, and I couldn't do it.
nope.
It just didn't taste good. I mean, my brain's going, I don't, So anyway, I didn't eat it. Prime rib was really good.
Yeah, it was delicious.
The chocolate melting cake with peanut butter.
You like
was
that.
really
The melting
good.
cake's delicious too. We
So-
had great wine. We
Yeah.
had fun. We had a lot of fun tonight at dinner.
This is our platinum gift, and it's a tumbler, a hot and cold tumbler, and I can tell you, this is not cheap.
These are nice.
Okay, it's nice. It's got weight to it. So anyway, we
It's
got
going
that.
in our stockpile. So hey, if you haven't liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe. As soon as we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna have a huge little giveaway.
We're giving away $1 million
No, we're not.
in Monopoly money.
No, we're not. We're gonna start collecting
1 million.
items from our travels, and we're going to create a little jackpot for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, get them to like and subscribe.
All right, y'all. As they say in Texas.
Y'all.
Y'all?
Actually, we're not from Texas.
I know, but that's what they say.
Well, my dad's from Texas, so
Yes,
I guess
that's right.
in part I'm from Texas. I lived in Texas.
For a little while.
Yes, I did.
That's right. All right, guys. We will talk to you tomorrow. We're going to take you along on our Cabo
adventure.
San Lucas adventure.
We have to tender, or what they call water shuttle, over to Cabo.
That's the politically correct term now for tender is water shuttle.
Yes, we have to meet in the lounge to do that, which is unusual. But I guess they're going to group us together and take us across, so that'll be fun.
No. We're very important people.
Yeah, right. Hopefully we're important to you.
So,
that's all that matters.
All right. We will talk to you tomorrow morning.
Yes, and have a great evening. And from...
Or day, or morning, or whenever you're watching this.
But from the Carnival Splendor, it's Brad and Kimberly from Midlife Crazy saying good night.
Adios.
Muchachos.
Bye.